Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can purchase removed items on Dress to Impress. So there are a few removed items. Unfortunately, you can't purchase the, I don't know, the Madaka set, is that what you call it? But there are still the summer items as well as the Jennie dress, Kim Kardashian dress that you can still purchase. To do that, you're going to select this icon right here under the settings tab. And then if you're on this one, you're going to go to the third icon here. Scroll down, and as you can see, you can still purchase the summer dresses, the teddy bear, etc., etc. But that is pretty much it. Once you've purchased it, you're going to just go into one of these closets, wardrobes, whatever you want to call it. And you're going to select this icon here, and you'll see every items you have purchased on Dress to Impress. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.